Hey guys, I want to show off here. Today we have a 42-inch Casablanca Panama ceiling fan. I got this from Mark Wilson at Fanimation a long while back, maybe I think it was August 1st, 2016. I had this up in my room for a while, but I never did a video of it. That was like after I got it, so. It has 5 blades. It came pretty much new in box. It's from 2002, has the XLP motor, which is basically K55. Let's see if I can find that tag up there. No, maybe not, but there's a K55. It didn't come with the hang tro. I was offered the hang tro, but I declined for some reason. Yeah, I don't know if you can see it, but whatever. This thing flies, as you would think. I literally just put it up, so. Let's try with demo mode. Didn't come with a light. Now it takes a little while to start doing demo mode, oddly enough. Just started. Alright. Start off the low. Maybe. No. That bracket's from a Fanimation. Not a Fanimation like this, but some Fanimation. I think the Extinction or something. I don't know. It was just a motor. It's pouring outside, by the way. I'd say this is a medium low. And this would be more of a medium high. And here's high. Or not. It's still one more speed, so. Yep, she blows a ton of air. Feel all the way back here. Better than this. Although this was the second best fan in the garage. It was a Craftmate CXO with Emperor blades. I might put that back up, but I'm not sure. This might stay up for a little while. Or I might put that Craftmate there because this draws 3.3 amps. And goes quite slow, surprisingly. That's the best fan in the garage there. Or at least, not sure which one's the best. But I'm not going to be doing it first. Anyway, that'll be all. Thanks for watching.